Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm going to be doing a fusion recipe for you all. Today I'm making fufu, which is a West African staple, but I'm going to be doing it my version or my way. I'm actually going to be combining Coo Coo and fufu in one to give you this delicious recipe. So we're starting off in our blender. Usually this is pounded, like cooked, boiled and then pounded, but to make the process go faster, we're going to be blending our ingredients. So we have some green plantains and some cassava along with some coconut milk. We're going to cover that and blend it until it's very smooth. Now it must be blended very smooth. There must not be any chunks in there. If it's chunky, you're going to get big pieces when you finish cook the dish. So I'm starting with some chili infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. If you can't find this, you can use regular oil. I'm going in with some chopped onions and chopped pimento peppers, chopped red bell pepper, some grated carrots, some finely chopped okra, and some minced garlic. I'm going to saute this until it's very fragrant and tender. This is the same base as if you were making Coo Coo in Trinidad. Now we're going to go in with the blended provision. And I'm going to go in with some cornmeal powder, just like we would use when we're making Coo Coo. I'm seasoning with some goya adobo all-purpose seasoning, or you can use salt or any all-purpose seasoning you have, and then give this a mix to incorporate all of those ingredients. To the same blender, I put in some water and I'm adding it because this mixture is a little too thick at this point. You want it to be a thin mixture, because it's going to take a little while to cook. It's going to take about 45 minutes to 1 hour to cook, and you want enough liquid in there. As it starts to cook down, you'll see that it's starting to get very silky and very smooth. This is the consistency you're aiming for, and you're going to continue to cook, and you have to keep stirring so it doesn't burn at the bottom. So stir. This is what it would look like as it starts to come together. It still needs a little more cooking, so I'm going to continue cooking it for another 10 minutes. And you see how it looks there? It's starting to hold together. That's what you're looking for. Once it reaches this consistency, you're going to empty it into a greased dish and spread it out evenly. Now, if you were using a smaller dish, it would come out thicker. Bigger dish, the thinner it's going to come out. Once you spread it out and you allow it to set, it's just going to take about 20 to 30 minutes to set. Once it's set, you can go ahead and cut it into squares. And this is so delicious and just so different from the regular Coo Coo. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Make it and let me know down below. Look at all of the specks of peppers and the okra and the carrots in there. Really healthy, really delicious, and really different from the regular Coo Coo. So if you guys make this, let me know down in the comments what you all think. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.